Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this hanging. So this you can make as wall hanging or else hair accessory. So we'll require these three steps. So first the chain method and how to make this flower, and third is how to make this leaf. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we require these two colors. You use other colors also, and then I'm taking this needle. So very first we'll take the green thread and start with the slip knot and make around 50 to 60 chains. So it depends on you how many chains and how much long you want the string. So it's up to you. I am making 50 chains for this. So keep doing the chains until you get the required length. So these are my chains are ready. Now just yarn over, cut the thread. So I'm making only this much length, this much of length. Now next part is to make the flower. First make a magic circle like this, and then chain 1. So this is our circle. So now chain 2. 1 we have already done it. So 1 and 2 chains, and then we'll make 2 double crochet into the circle. 1 and 2. Then chain 2 and then go back to the circle and slip stitch. So this is how we have completed our first petal. Same will follow for rest of the petals, which is chain 2, then 2 double crochet into the circle, again chain 2 and slip stitch. So total will make 5 petals. So this is how we have completed our 5 petals. And now chain 1 and cut the yarn. Just pull the thread. So this is how we have completed our flower, and you can just tighten it, and also you can check into this, is the flower fitting well. So it's quite big. You can just pull the thread like this and make the knot. This is how you can fix your flower, and you can move your flower according to other flower position, and whatever the remaining thread you can just fix into that flower with the darning needle. So our hanging and flower portion is ready. Then the next part is to make the leaf. So for the leaf, take the green thread and then slip knot and then chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then into the second chain we'll make one single crochet, then one half double crochet, and into the next 2 stitches, one double crochet, and then into the last stitch one half double crochet. Now chain 1 and we'll work on other side. Again into this stitch, one half double crochet, then into the next 2 stitches, one double crochet, and then into the last stitch one half double crochet, and into this stitch first stitch of slip stitch, then chain 1, cut the thread, you can tighten it, and this is the extra thread you can cut, and this remaining thread you can hide it here. So our leaf is also ready, and now this leaf we will have to attach here. So with the glue we can attach this, or with the hot glue also. Like this you can attach the leaf. So we are done with the most easiest tutorial. So this was one of my subscriber requested how to make this flower and this hanging part with the leaf. So it was the late video, but I am sure she will check it out. And this flower part we can use to make crochet button also. So with the same process those buttons we can make. So I hope you like this video. So for more such video you can subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.